Okay guys, I decided that I was going to try the food court for lunch today, and first of all, as soon as I walk in, and it's open air, but just as soon as you walk into this section, it smells so good. Like I can smell the pizza and I can smell like taco stuff. So I'm going to show you, because when we come here next year for our group, so everybody that's already part of the group, you guys are going to be able to experience this. And everybody that's not part of the group, if you want to join, let me know. But here, check this place out because it smells good, and I'm about to try the food, so I'll let you know how that is too. All right, so here we have Tiki Taco. Let's look at what they have. Okay, so there's nachos, all kinds of toppings. She's got a taco there. Papa pizza. Let's walk around and see. Oh, let's walk. Ha, what I just said. That's funny. Oh, yum. You can get it cooked right there. Nice. There's the bowls of stuff over there. Let's see. We'll walk over here first. Ice cream.
Hello, my people.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Punta Cana, República Dominicana.
Yes, we have ice cream. Have a good day. This cracks me up. RIU fried chicken. Let's take a look at it though. Oh, this is good. Okay, so Pepe's food. What does Pepe have? Oh, burgers, hot dogs. Those all look really good. Oh, there's wings. All the toppings for that. And let's see what else. Oh, that chicken looks
giant fried chicken in there.
Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Look at all these donuts. Okay, I already know where I'm gonna be. All right, we got 2 more spots. Hallelujah. And there's a pizza place. Let's go look and see what their pizza looks like, because that'll make or break pizza if it doesn't look good to me. Well, it must be good because most of it's gone. Ooh, yum. So yeah, I was not kidding when I said that this place has everything. Like, and it's right by the pool, and it's really just a couple steps from the beach. So like when you're swimming or you're just hanging out by the pool or whatever, you can just come over here and grab literally anything, because there's so many options. Now I have to decide what I want.